Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design a contact form in Elementor. Elementor is easy to use, and in is recent days, we are using Elementor Pro for the creating form. We can create also advanced form in Elementor. So we need to create contact form pages. You need to add new page. Okay, we should add the page title, contact us, and default template should be Elementor full width. It's done. Now publish. Yes, I have created the page name. Now we need to edit the page title. We need to disable the page title. Disable. It has been disabled by me, so need to click edit with Elementor. Okay, done. Now we need to add the page title. Click to heading, just drag and drop. We should select H1 tag for that. Now make it center. We can add minimum height 140 and click to justify the content. It is on the middle, and you can rename the page name contact us. Now we can change its color and typography. This is also alt. I have selected the font also alt, and font size is 50. Now looks good. Now we will add the contact form. Just need to write form, drag and drop. Here you can see the automatic form has been created by the Elementor, and we will customize this form. We can adjust the width of the form. Now looks good. We'll start customization of the form. Here name, email. Now we will add the mobile number. Here you can select type, telephone. It's a phone number. Now just drag on the above. Now need to add the placeholder text for the phone number. Now looks good. And we will change the button color. Here you can see the green color already, and we will make it blue. And the text color should be black. I think it's a nice form, and you can customize according to your requirement, and you can customize this according to your client requirements. You can also change the font name. I have selected also alt. If 16 would be good. And here we can also add the label. You can add the label color much brighter than the placeholder. It will look good. And click to update. We can preview the contact form. Let's see, here is the contact form. It looks good, and we can add some margin bottom after the form. Here go to the container, click to advance, and you can add some bottom margin. Just click to update, and we can see preview now. This looks good. Now we will add country code on the phone numbers so that we can understand which country client has sent us messages. For that, we need to add a plugin. Go to dashboard, add new plugin. You need to type country code. You should select this plugin by Cool Plugins. Just need to install and activate it. It's done. Now you just reload the page. Go to phone number. Here you can see the country code. You can show it. Now it looks good. Here you can see the United States phone number, Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria. So just update it. Let's preview the contact form. It's perfect. Now we will change our email address where we want to get our notification when clients submit the form. You need to click action after submit. Here you can see email is added. Now click to email. You can see the California real estate xyz@gmail.com. Here is the email. You can also add multiple email on the contact form, like I have added. It's done. Now click to update. Let's check our contact form is working or not. Let's submit. Okay. Now we are typing our email address. Okay, phone number, done. Here it is our message, hi. Now click to submit. Okay, phone number. See, the country code is perfect. Their anonymous phone number will not work. Now your submission was successful. We will go to our email. Here you can see the email. Yes, the name, email, phone number, and message. So that is how you can create the contact form, and I have shown you how to get the notification when clients submit the form. You can see form is working, and if you want to customize more Elementor contact form like advanced, I will make more videos. You can watch and subscribe my channel. Thank you.